The Sichuan Rebuild HKSAR Projects exhibition launched today at Youth Square in Chai Wan. Video, photo, and text displays spotlight Hong Kong's efforts to help rebuild earthquake-stricken areas of Sichuan. Hong Kong reconstruction projects covered the crucial areas of education, infrastructure, medical and social welfare, and the Wulong Nature Reserve. Altogether, Hong Kong has committed about $10 billion to fund 191 projects. The exhibition will run until May in different venues in Chai Wan, Kowloon Park, the Hom MTR Station, and Hong Kong Central Library. For more information, visit the dedicated website.